Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Shopify versus WooCommerce to help you decide which platform is the better choice for your e-commerce business. If you're planning to start an online store, you've probably come across these two platforms. Both are incredibly popular, but they work very differently. Shopify is an all-in-one hosted solution, while WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that gives you complete control over your website. So, let's get started. Shopify is one of the world's most popular e-commerce platforms. It's designed specifically for people who want to create an online store quickly without worrying about technical setup. Unlike traditional website builders, Shopify hosts your website for you. That means you don't need to purchase separate web hosting, install software manually, or manage server maintenance. Everything is included in one platform. To begin, simply visit the Shopify website and create an account. Shopify usually offers a free trial for new users, allowing you to explore the platform before committing to a paid subscription. After signing up, you'll be guided through a short setup process where you'll answer a few questions about your business. Once completed, you'll arrive at the Shopify dashboard. From here, you can add products, manage customers, process orders, customize your website, and monitor your business all from one central location. One of Shopify's biggest advantages is its simplicity. Even complete beginners can build a professional online store without writing any code. Shopify includes professionally designed themes that allow you to customize your storefront with just a few clicks. You can change colors, fonts, layouts, banners, logos, navigation menus, product pages, and much more using the built-in theme editor. If you need additional features, Shopify also offers thousands of apps through the Shopify App Store. These apps allow you to add email marketing, loyalty programs, product reviews, live chat, and many other advanced features. Another major advantage of Shopify is its built-in payment processing. You can use Shopify payments or connect third-party payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and many others depending on your country. This allows customers to pay using credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and additional payment methods. Shopify also handles SSL certificates automatically, ensuring your customers' payment information remains secure. Security updates, software updates, backups, and hosting are all managed by Shopify, so you never have to worry about technical maintenance. This makes Shopify particularly attractive for beginners and business owners who simply want to focus on selling products. Another strength is Shopify's inventory management system. You can easily track stock levels, manage product variants, create collections, monitor inventory, and receive low stock alerts. For businesses selling across multiple platforms, Shopify also supports selling through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok Shop, Google Shopping, Amazon, and many other sales channels. Everything is synchronized from a single dashboard. Shopify also includes built-in marketing tools. You can create discount codes, gift cards, abandoned cart recovery emails, email marketing campaigns, customer segmentation, and analytics reports directly inside your dashboard. These tools help you grow your business without relying entirely on third-party software. Now let's talk about Shopify's pricing. Shopify offers several subscription plans designed for different business sizes. The basic Shopify plan is suitable for beginners and small businesses. It includes an online store, unlimited products, sales channels, basic reports, and essential e-commerce features. The Grow plan is designed for growing businesses that need more advanced reporting, lower transaction fees, and additional staff accounts. Although Shopify requires a monthly subscription, many users find that the convenience of having hosting, security, updates, payment processing, and customer support included makes the cost worthwhile. Now that we've covered Shopify, let's move on to WooCommerce. WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce solutions in the world, but unlike Shopify, it works very differently. WooCommerce is a free, open source plugin built specifically for WordPress. Instead of using a hosted platform, WooCommerce transforms your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. Because it's self-hosted, you have much greater flexibility and control over every aspect of your website. However, this also means you're responsible for setting everything up yourself. To get started with WooCommerce, you'll first need to purchase a domain name and web hosting from a hosting provider. After setting up your hosting account, install WordPress. Once WordPress is installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, click Add New, search for WooCommerce, and install the plugin. After activation, WooCommerce launches a setup wizard that guides you through configuring your online store. You'll enter your business information, store address, preferred currency, payment methods, shipping options, and tax settings. Once the setup is complete, your online store is ready for customization. One of WooCommerce's biggest advantages is its flexibility. Since it runs on WordPress, you have access to thousands of free and premium themes. You can completely customize your website's appearance without being limited to a fixed design system. If you have coding knowledge, you can even modify every part of your store's functionality. WooCommerce also supports thousands of plugins. This makes WooCommerce extremely powerful for businesses with unique requirements. When it comes to payments, WooCommerce supports a wide range of payment gateways. You can integrate PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfers, cash on delivery, and many regional payment providers. Unlike Shopify, you're not limited to specific payment systems. Inventory management is another strong feature. WooCommerce allows you to manage stock levels, product variations, downloadable products, digital products, and physical products. You can also create coupons, discount campaigns, product bundles, and promotional offers. Because WooCommerce is built on WordPress, it has a major advantage in search engine optimization. WordPress is widely recognized as one of the best platforms for SEO. Now let's discuss pricing. Technically, WooCommerce itself is completely free. However, building a WooCommerce store isn't entirely free because you'll need to pay for several other services. So, which platform should you choose? If you're looking for a platform that's simple to set up, easy to manage, secure, and requires very little technical knowledge, Shopify is the better choice. On the other hand, if you want complete control over your website, unlimited customization, advanced SEO capabilities, and already have experience with WordPress, then WooCommerce is an excellent choice. No matter which platform you choose, both Shopify and WooCommerce are capable of building professional, scalable, and successful e-commerce businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.